The Ministry of Education is providing support to the Breadnut Primary School in St. Anne following the death of a 2th-grade student on Sunday. The 7-year-old and her 2 siblings died in a fire in Walkerswood. Anthony Lugg has more in this Primetime News follow-up.
A teacher fights the tears as she consoles a weeping student at the Breadnut Primary School in St. Anne Monday morning. This was a familiar scene across the institution as they mourn the death of grade 2 student Tashana Mattis.
If you see someone crying, then you're going to sing this little song or give them that hug that I showed you earlier.
7-year-old Tashana and her 2 siblings, 4-year-old Tashani and 2-year-old Tavarno, perished in a fire at their home in Cottage District, Walkerswood in the parish. The beginning of the school week was marred by the tragedy as students tried to come to terms with a gruesome death. Inside Tashana's classroom, flowers were on the side of the desk which she shared with a classmate. Some students struggled as they were asked to reflect on their memories of Tashana. Some asked why she had to die.
We ask these questions all the time.
The tragic incident has again triggered discussions around fire safety, and so it's no surprise members of the St. Anne Fire Department were on location speaking with students. Principal Sharon Minot says students are expressing concern about their safety in light of recent house fires across the country.
I overheard one student this morning, it's a grade 4 child, who said, "I'm so scared." And when I stopped to find out why it is that she's feeling scared, she says the fires. So the safety of children is of utmost importance, and I believe that with the continuous, there has to be, I think, some sensitization to parents in terms of the dangers of these kinds of things when children are left unprotected.
Members of the Education Ministry's Guidance and Counseling Unit and social workers were also deployed to provide support to students and staff. Senior Education Officer for Region 3, Harleen Gordon-Riley, spoke with our news team.
We want our students to believe and to know that, among all of that they are going through, they can still find hope in our students, in our colleagues who are here, hope in our environment, in what we provide to our students, just overall comfort as we seek to bring stability back to the environment.
Meanwhile, chairman of the institution, Reverend Gary Johnson, says despite the somber mood on Monday, he remains hopeful.
There is a sense of hope from these children in spite of this great loss and this great disaster and tragedy. There seems to be a thing that God is really working on in these children, and that a spirit of hope is within them.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.